Hello guys, today we are going to make an calculator app on MIT App Inventor. First we have to start with uh, new tab. We will type MIT App Inventor 2. There's an option App Inventor 2 link. So we will click on this and there's a create apps option. We will click on this. Now there's a login page. So uh, now we will click on start project. I will write here uh, calculator calculator. I'll do my first letter capital. Okay. Uh, Now we'll open it. It takes some time to load. Now it's our screen one, so we will only need one screen. I will go to I will scroll down and I will do title visible. So the title is not visible now. Now I will go to layout and choose a vertical arrangement, and I will do align horizontal to center of screen one and align vertical also on center. Now we will go to user interface and pick two text box and one label. I will do its align horizontal to center and I will do font size to 30. I will do the text. I will not do the text because this is our answer label. So I don't want to do the text. I don't want to show the text. I will choose the background color can and the screen color to blue. No, green. Okay, green is looking good. Uh, uh, Now I will choose 4 buttons. Now I will choose 4 buttons. Now we'll take 4 buttons here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we'll rename this first plus, minus, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Now buttons are renamed. Now we will change the text to plus. I will also change the font size to 30. This also 30. This also 30. And this also 30. Now I will change the text for button 2. I will write here minus. And text for button 3. It's multiply, so I will do the multiply sign, and it's division, so I will do the division sign. Now we will go to blocks. First we have to decorate it. Sorry. We will change the background color to none. This also none. This also none. Uh, and we will go to now blocks. Uh, Sorry, we have to change the uh, rename. We have to rename the label answer, or we will rename this one. Okay. Uh, One, and this is I will rename two. Rename helps in programming. Now we will go to blocks. We will program it. First, we have to go to plus. When plus do click, set label one background color to. Now we will change it to text. Now we go to math and there is a plus option. Plus. Now we have to go to one background color and duplicate it. I will duplicate it and I will change it into text and to text. Now I will duplicate it. Uh, I will change the plus to multiply minus. I want these of two and I will delete this. We I have taken two of these and I will also duplicate this too. Now we will go to math and there is a minus option. We will take it and we will put here one text and two text. Now I will go to now I will duplicate this and delete this of the portion and do multiply and go to math. There's a multiply option. You have to choose this one text and two text. Now we have to also duplicate this and our last is division, so I will choose division. Now I will take this sorry, we have to delete this full block. Now we have to go to math and choose divide option. So our app is completed now, but I have to change something. I will choose two buttons. I will rename it. It's reset button and it is exit. So I will also change the text of these buttons. Reset and reset and exit. I will change the background color to none and this is also to none. I will do font bold, font italic, which you have to say, you can say So its design is looking good. Now we have to do the programming of reset and exit button. Now we will go to reset button. When reset do click, we have to duplicate this, and I will delete this delete box. Hmm. And accept text to we will choose a blank, and also we will go to mm, one and choose this one and change it to text. Now we have to copy this, duplicate, and I will copy to this. Means our text box is also now clear. When we will reset the button, so I will also duplicate this and 2. I will delete this. Now our app is completed, but we have to also uh, do the exit button programming. When exit button when do click, now we have to go to control and close application. When we are developing the app, the close application do not work in the app. So if you have any queries and if you like the video, please like,